Welcome to NaxToView. This video provides an introduction to NaxToView and will give you an overview of the main sections of its interface. First, you will find the main menu at the top left corner of the screen. This menu includes the sections File, Create, Delete, View, Tools and Help. Now, moving a little bit down, you will see the toolbox. At the bottom right, you will find the model and the session trees. And below that, at the bottom left, there are two tabs for scripting and output. The element selection information is displayed at the bottom right. And finally, in the central part of the screen, you will find the 3D window. It is important to say that all the windows in NaxToView are floating, meaning that they can be moved anywhere. But if you don't like the new arrangement, you will be able to go back to the initial layout. They are not only floating, but also they can be moved in the dock. By clicking on the drop-down menu on the right, you will be able to edit the window and make it floating. Now, let's return to the initial position. You also have the possibility to move the tools within the toolbox and place them anywhere. Going back to the main menu at the top left, and by clicking on Create, you will be able to create new windows. You can also create new views by clicking on View in any of those windows. Notice that all windows and views you have created are now included in the session tree. To delete windows, simply navigate to the top left and select Delete. In the main menu, you will also find the Tools section. This section will allow you to customize several options of NaxToView, such as the background and the size of the icons of the interface. Upon loading a model, its structure is displayed in the Model Tree section, where entities, properties, materials, element types, and connectors are shown. If you go to the bottom left and click on Scripting, it will be displayed the history of all the commands used during the current session. Scrolling up and down the right bar, you will be able to see the entire command history. And finally, you will be able to display the element information by clicking on the Output tab. And that's all about this introduction of the NaxToView interface. In future videos, you will have more detailed examples.